In today's video, I want to move back to optimizing your gut health. And that starts by cooking incredible plant-based recipes. Now, Kunal wears many hats, and one of his specialty is to whip out tasty gut-friendly recipes. In today's video, he will create 3 tasty gut-friendly breakfast options. Hope you enjoy the recipes. Do make sure to give them a try. If you still haven't downloaded our 21 gut-friendly recipe ebook, a direct link is provided in the description box below.